Next category, patient physical signs. Not a big category. Helpful, yeah. What are we going to pay attention to? We want to pay attention to a little bit of antalgic, guarding, bruising or scratches. I'll pay attention to that. There's a little antalgic or guarding. I'm going to make a note of that. How does it fit into the big picture? Is it high sensitivity? Not really. Is it relevant? Yeah. Is it probable? Could be not. Is it a primary or secondary? No. Is it supplemental and helpful? Yeah. We're just putting it in its proper perspective, that's all. Okay?
Could you go over the primary and secondary again?
I'm doing it with each category.
Oh, okay.
Every category, I'm taking you through all 5 of them.
Gotcha, but I'm not sure I really understand what we're meaning by primary and secondary.
Okay, hang with me. So, not too big of a deal, patient signs. If you can get them, get them. Is it going to make or break your case? No. If you have it, it supports your primary findings? Yeah.